Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to apply the screen protector Paperlike to the iPad mini 6th generation. As you can see, it says here iPad mini 2021, and it looks like they've used the same box for the iPad Pro and the iPad mini, but it's basically the iPad mini Paperlike. So we have to start by ripping the envelope on the side here. So let's start just by doing that. We open that and we are going to take out whatever's inside. There seems to be quite a lot of things inside, and let's make sure there's nothing in there, nothing else. And once we open it, as you can see, it says you should be watching tutorials and applying and enjoying, but that's why we're going to be making this video, is to show you how to apply the Paperlike. So let's open the envelope all the way. Let's get the stuff that's inside. It actually seems to be coming out the closing of the envelope. Now we pulled it all out, and what we have here is two Paperlike basically screen protectors, which we are only going to need one, so we're going to put one out of the way. Then we have a postcard from one of the creators with a little letter here which they send you from the Paperlike family. Then in here we have installation tools. As you can see, we are going to open them and we're going to take them out of the envelope. We have the dust absorber, the guide sticker, a little wipey, and some clean wet wipes, as you can see here. And there's nothing else. The only thing we have to add is some sort of credit card, which I'm using a gym membership card to basically squeegee the bubbles out of the screen protector when you place it. So first thing first, you're going to need to remove any iPad case you have. So first thing, remove the iPad case. Second, you want to turn off the iPad. So you want to slide the power off. So we power it off. And now you can already see there's dust on it. So we're going to try to remove that just a little bit before. And there's a ton of finger marks that you can barely probably see on the video. But what we have to do is keep the camera on the top, on the bottom. So we want the charging port on the top, and that way we would have the screen protector placed the right way. So first of all, we have our iPad here, we have our screen protector here, and what we want to see is Paperlike side and then sticky side. So what we want is the sticky side to be facing down and the Paperlike side facing up. So this is the side you want, which is where you're going to be drawing with your Apple Pencil. So first things first, we have to grab the guide stickers, and we only need one of them. So let's grab one of them. Also, you have the help sticker here, which don't forget that you should have that. So we want to have it aligned as much as possible. So let's make a little bit of space. We align this screen protector as well as we can, which would be somewhere there, and it's quite slippery, so make sure that you have a bit of a grip, and you want to center it so also there's the case space. And then all we have to do is grab a sticker guide, which we have here. So the sticker guide, and we're going to stick half of it on the screen protector on the left. So let's be very careful. As you can see, it's really easy to move. So we want to have it somewhere there, and we're going to stick half of it on it and then place the rest towards the iPad. And it's actually not how I like it, so let me see if I can remove. It's not so easy to remove, so we're going to just leave it there. And now we have to push it down a little bit, and now we grab another one. We can let go. It should be okay to let go. Grab another one, and we once again put it on the side. As you can see, it's slightly, you can move it a little bit, so center it again. Let's put it in the middle, and we're also going to fold it under a little bit, and then we grab the third one, and we're going to add it to the very corner of this side, so this side as far as we can. And then we're also going to push it down a little bit. So on their video, they basically slide it that way, but we're on cardboard paper. So we're basically going to have to lift it up a little bit, stick it all the way around, and stick it all the way around, and stick it all the way around. And actually, we've stuck on the camera, but don't worry about that. So basically, now you should be able to use the Paperlike like a hinge, so you can open and close, open and close. So once we've done that, we want to have our tools around, so we are going to open, okay? And here we have to clean, so we would get one of our iPad wipes, and we only need one for the one that we're going to use. And this is just a humid little towel, wet wipe. So we open it, we take it out of the packaging, and we're supposed to be cleaning those fingerprints that basically are oily fingerprints, which are going to be hard to, like, make it hard for the Paperlike to stick properly. So we grab this, we make like a little ball, and we kind of just clean it. Of course, you don't want to be touching the screen after this, so just clean it as well as you can, and you can actually smell the alcohol or substance on it. We want to clean this as good as we can, and make sure that if you had a previous screen, you cleaned very well, especially on the camera area, which maybe wasn't covered by a screen protector. So we're going to remove everything possible. There's a little nudge here on the side. So that is clean now, and we're gonna basically grab our dry thing and basically dry it up. If we see any dust, don't worry, there'll be a dust grabber or dust absorber later. So we dry this as well as we can, and we would grab our dust absorber to clean any dust we might see. So I see some dust here, you barely probably can see it. So you just basically want to clean as much as you can off the dust, and then we just can glue it back onto that. So now we basically have to remove the sticky side. Careful. Remove it carefully. Like you see, it's not so easy to not touch any of it. And now we just basically lay it down. So we just fold it back down. And now don't worry so much about the bubbles, we can remove them with the card. So now we have this here. We can basically use our credit card or card and start pushing the bubbles out. So make sure that with the big bubbles, you go for the small bubbles, and then you take them all the way to the corner. And this might take a little practice, but you'll get used to it quite fast. So basically just removing, getting them all together, and then pressing. Remember not to press too hard, as it is an iPad screen. And actually the little graphics on the Paperlike are distracting, as they look like bubbles. But let's look, I still see some bubbles. So let's try to remove some of these bubbles. There's a bubble right now under this sticker, so we're just going to remove this sticker quickly, as we can't remove the bubble. And now we can remove that major bubble that was there. Basically like that. So there's no bubbles left, just a tiny one there. And once we have no bubbles left, all you have to do is remove from this paper side. So basically you pull the tab, and be careful you don't pull the whole thing. You just want the Paperlike to be stuck to the iPad. So we just pull it carefully, and we keep on going. And once we reach the corner, then we can just pull it off the whole iPad, as you can see there. So now we have our Paperlike matte screen on the iPad. You can see that now it shines differently. I have a few bubbles here, which I will try to remove after a little carefully, but don't be too worried. It's not gonna affect how you see the iPad or use the iPad. But yeah, that's how you installed the Paperlike. Of course, you could have used the help stickers, which I didn't use. These would have gone on top basically here to help you open it and close it without touching the surface, which is what I actually did. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about how to apply the Paperlike or how it looks, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye.